takeoff thrust. Airspeed arrived. V1. V-rotate. Positive rate of climb. Gear up.
Every 2 minutes, somewhere in the world, KLM takes to the skies.
Good afternoon, Schiphol Tower. This is KLM 164, reducing airspeed to 200 knots, descending to 1,000.
Your hometown looks the same as I step down from the plane, and there to meet me